Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, this is phase 2 of these James Loudspeaker SA63-4. These are a 3-way small aperture speaker. As you can see here, Ronnie is taking out the temporary wood block that we placed during the pre-wire to protect the housing or all the wiring inside there. So as you can see, there's the wire that will connect to the speaker once we're actually all finished. But today all we're doing is installing the trim ring. So we went with the 3-inch trim ring. So as you see here, Ronnie is going to attach the ring to the speaker itself. So there's an edge that touches the sheetrock. So now when the mud guys come back and they tape and texture the sheetrock, they'll texture over those little holes around the edge all the way to that nice square on the trim ring. So this is going to make a nice clean fit and finish. Can't wait to see the finished result. These are going to sound amazing. They're very small, so super nice. But of course, Ronnie's got to put in several of these screws to hold it in. Of course, we got to make sure it's level. Now there's just 2 of these, so again, these are a 3-way speaker. So these actually have a 6.5-inch driver. Believe it or not, these speakers are 26 inches tall. So again, guys, if you saw this on the pre-wire, they are a fairly large speaker. But the only thing you're seeing is this little hole, the square hole, which will have a grill that matches it perfectly. It'll be fleshly inside. Now there's the foam piece, and that's so no mud or anything gets inside it. And there's the module. That's the tweeter and mid-range that will be mounted inside of the speaker. And so the 6.5-inch driver is already in the aluminum closure, and there's the grill. So look how nice and clean that is. Oh my gosh. So we're going to take the grill for now. Just put the foam piece in and come back after the walls are all done. So hope you enjoyed the video. Can't wait to get this going. This is a beautiful home. We have lots of really cool things going on here, and can't wait to show you guys more. But again, a lot of planning has gone into this project with these James Loudspeaker small aperture speakers. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe to the videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.